question 60, we're given a three-way Venn diagram, and we're told that it represents three features which are used to group organisms. On the far left-hand side, we have the cell has an external wall, which forms a layer, giving it a defined shape. Bottom Venn diagram says that the cell uses enzymes to release energy for cell processes. And finally, on the right-hand side, we have within the cell is a membrane-bound structure containing DNA. Okay, and then we're also given these labels here, P, Q, R, and S, which we're told, three of which correspond to bacteria, fungi, and animals. So then we have to work out which corresponds to which, and then we find the according row in a table. Okay, so which corresponds to bacteria to start with? Well, immediately it jumps out that we have an external wall in the case of bacteria, which isn't shared by animals, although it is by fungi, so P and S are in consideration. But the answer is Q in the case of bacteria, because it does have enzymes releasing energy for cell processes, namely in the case of glycolysis, which animals also share. So we'll come to that in a moment, but glycolysis is a feature shared by animals and bacteria, so we can say that our answer will be Q in the case of bacteria, and it will be R in the case of animals, since they have membrane-bound structures containing DNA, which is a key feature of eukaryotic organisms, which is what animals are. Another eukaryotic organism is yeast, which is a form of fungi, and it has got enzymes since it carries out glycolysis. It also has a cell wall, and it also has a membrane-bound nucleus and other membrane-bound structures since it's eukaryotic. So we can say that S is our answer for fungi. So we have our answer S, Q, R in the order of fungi, bacteria, animals as it is in the table. So we have our according row, which is row D, and that's our answer.